Since 1995, Artefita has been continuously innovating and pursuing technical excellency. Relying on that with an ever-increasing team that combines experience and enthusiasm. Exports represent 85% of our business volume and are spread across more than 30 countries in Europe, Africa and America. We have a 3,000 square meter facility with productive capacity, warping machines, weaving machines, including jacquards, dyeing machines, transfer printing machines, sublimation and serigraphy, cutting machines, including laser and ultrasound cutting, ultrasound sewing machines, and a sewing and assembly section. From warping to sewing and final makeup, we take care of every step of the productive process in-house in order to provide flexible solutions that adapt to our customers' demands. Warping, weaving, winding, printing, dyeing, cut, temperature, ultrasound, laser, sewing, packing, quality, warehouse. We have experience, knowledge, attention to detail and technical resources. Artefita, since 1995, weaving the future.